An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. When life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means it's going to launch you into something great. So just focus and keep aiming. I'm repeating the sentence again for you better understand. An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. When life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means it's going to launch you into something great. So just focus and keep aiming. All of us always try to give up. When we fail to do a certain work, and when we want to solve any kind of problem, that time if you face any kind of difficulties, we always give up because we feel comfortable to give up something very easily. It should not do, because we are already in a state where we can, if we are able to solve the problem, we can go to the next state. That time we have to keep in mind that I am close to my success, I am close to solve the problem, and if I able to cross this line, I will be happy and it will make me happy than anything. But at the time we always give up. But we have to realize the sentence that I mentioned at the beginning of my conversation, and I am repeating this sentence again for your better understanding. And the sentence is, an arrow can be shot by pulling it backward. An arrow can be shot by pulling it backward. And when life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means it's going to launch you into something great. Yes, try to believe that it means it's going to launch you into something great. So we should just focus and we should keep aiming. Without focus and keeping aiming, we cannot reach our goal, we cannot reach our target, and we won't be able to catch our goal targeted things. First of all, we have to keep focusing what we are doing, and then we have to keep aim. We have to keep aim, and that will very important for us to reach our target. For example, you are wishing daily that you will be fluent speaker one day, and you have a fixed determination to learn English, but you are not focusing, you are not keeping aim, you are not fulfill your target daily. That is called totally breaking mindset up. Really, that is called breaking mindset up, and you are totally aimless. Without aiming, we cannot achieve our goal. First of all, we have to aim ourselves to do the certain work, what we want to be and what we want to do. This is very important. And we have already known the sentence that an arrow. Yes, we have already compared ourselves with an arrow. In our life, we have to go backward sometimes, and if you go to backward sometimes, that time we can realize how should we do and how can we go forward, and what steps should we take to go forward, to do the certain work, to solve the problem easily. That we can learn if you go sometimes backward. And when an arrow pulling backward, the arrow gain the power to go forward. It's true, and we can take a life lesson from here. We should not fear about to go backward. Yes, sometimes we should go backward and take the lesson how to go forward very fast and how to fix the target appropriately. It will help us. I think this sentence is very important for our life. whatever you do, whatever you think, this is very important for everybody. Let me repeat the sentence again for third time. First of all, we can say that an arrow can be shot by pulling it backward when life is dragging you back with difficulties. It means it's going to launch you into something great. Yes, that's true, believe it. And always try to focus and keep aiming. Thank you so much listening me carefully. See you next time in next one. Bye bye.